Hey y'all, what's up? I'm Javier. I'll keep the introductions nice and short. This channel is going to be all about this lovely LC 500 behind me. I'll give you guys a little walk around, interior shots, and then we'll go later for some driving. But yeah, so this is a 2018 LC 500 Inspiration Series, one of 100. And you can see the structural blue color is magnificent in the light. You get all types of different shades when you're just looking at the car from different angles. And with the Inspiration Series for this year, this is the only year that has the orange Alcantara and blue leather interior. So yeah, actually, let's check that out really quick. Oops, don't close on me now. So just a quick look from here. You can really see that Alcantara. Nice orange, blue leather all around the cabin as well. White leather seats. Good look at that. And then the entire ceiling is also blue Alcantara. And the orange even extends to the back seats as well, as you can see right there. So let me pop this hood and talk about some mods that I have done for this car. So exhaust wise, I have a aftermarket mid pipe from Powercraft Japan. Super JDM. They don't really promote themselves to American buyers. Then under the hood, I replaced all the plastic paneling with the Blitz carbon fiber intake. Check that out. Real pretty. Sorry, it's a little dusty right now, so please excuse me. And then I also have a carbon fiber engine cover. So this intake replaces the panel filters with 2 cone filters. I swapped them out for AFE power filters. So there's one on each side. We're gonna be testing some airflow stuff later on next week. So I'll update and make another video about that. Yeah, just looking at this car, man, I love every angle of it. I love the color, just shines so damn much, man. But yeah, let's go for a drive and see how this car sounds with that mid pipe we have installed. Alrighty, so let's start the car and get rolling. Turn it to Sport Plus, manual, and we'll be on our way. You're here to downshifts. This one's meaty right here. Exhaust echoes off the building so nicely. Cool. That being said, I'll end the video here. Next video is going to be me doing math readings between the new filters I'm going to put on the Blitz carbon fiber intake. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in.